What is going on, YouTube? I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to make a countdown video in After Effects. This is really just time's sake. So let's get started. This is a composition. I'm gonna create a new composition. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. Uh, all the settings that you need are already set in stone. You just need to click OK on composition setting number 1. You want to create a new text layer, and you want to write in the number 5, not the percentage, the number 5 colon 00. Okay, and that's it. Haha, just kidding. Yeah, so now what you want to do, you want to drop down this little arrow, and in the description I will have this command. You will simply just need to copy and paste this into where I tell you to go. You want to drop down these two little arrow buttons, and you want to hit the Option key on your keyboard and click on the stopwatch. And the text source text will pop up, and you simply want to copy and paste what I had in the description, and you want to put it in here. Oh gosh, that is not it. That is something else I'm working on. So I'm going to copy this like I told you to do. Command, oh gosh, Option, click, and then paste. And now you can see we have a 5-minute composition. But to make this look a little bit prettier, we're going to go up to layer styles, and I'm going to apply just a drop shadow. You can apply inner shadow, an outer glow, or an inner glow. I'm just going to do a drop shadow for the sake of this time and how well it's going to look. And if you want to enhance the drop shadow opacity, you can just go, I'm going to put it on 100 just so you can see how well the drop shadow is, and I'm going to make the size just a little bit bigger. Maybe not bigger, but the distance. Ha! Yeah, that looks good. Alright, now, so what we have here is a final product. Yeah, over here is where you can edit your font. I'm just going to click on the first one I have. I'm actually going to go back. I'm going to Control Z that junk. Never mind. I don't know what I had. Well, okay. Well, I guess we're just going to have to deal with it. Not sure. Let's try to find the best one. Anyways, I have one already exported that I'm going to use in the Premiere side of this video. So, well, that looks decent, okay, but I don't like it. Anyways, when you're done and you have a font that you actually like, rather than what I have, oh, that's ugly. It's humongous. Gosh, there's a lot of fonts in this. I'm gonna do yuppie. Alright, that's okay. I mean, I still don't like that. But, File, you want to go to File, you want to export and add to render queue. Okay, this point is kind of critical. In the video output section, you have channels. Preset is going to be on RGB. If you want to have the drop shadow in your countdown, you want to have RGB plus alpha. There's something about that that just makes it happen. You want to make sure your quality is on 100, and you want to click OK. Now, I'm going to hit render, but this, ooh, I'm going to stop that because I didn't put it where it was supposed to go. So the QuickTime this was all good. That's where it was supposed to be. I just didn't put it where I wanted to go. I'm going to add it to the desktop, but I'm also going to save it as countdown number 2 for YT YouTube. Okay, now I'm going to render. Now we are going to open Adobe Premiere. Yeah, my license. I have a torrented Premiere, so my license thing might pop up here in a second. Sorry if it does. Sorry if it does. Okay, tutorial on countdown. Looks, I already have a preset. Let's see if it loads. No. If it is it. There we go. All right. So, as you can tell, I video, but my screen flow was being super whack, and for some reason the demo popped up. I have the full version, but the demo mode pop up. So I'm going to go and select the countdown piece that I have that I exported. For me, I'm going to use this 5-minute countdown that I had already done, but this is the one that's exporting right now. You can't look at it because it's exporting. And this is the one that I had exported already. So I'm going to drag this into my composition or my project, and I'm just going to lay it on top. Okay, and as you can tell, there's a, oh gosh, sorry, I shouldn't play that because it's my voice on top of my voice. It skips from 5 minutes all the way down to 0 seconds. From here, if you exported it as an RGB file and not RGB plus alpha just because you didn't want to drop shadow, you're going to have a black background, as you can see in this project bin. Since I exported it in RGB plus alpha, the checkered board, it's kind of like a watermark just laying on top of it like there's no background. But if you were to export it as just RGB, you're going to have that black background, so you want to go into your effects and your opacity, and you want to make sure your blending mode is on screen. I'll show you what screen looks like on for me, but that's just because I already exported it as in RGB plus alpha file. I don't know why it's weird like that, but it just is for some reason. So, yeah, and now you can just export this video and have a countdown for whatever reason you would need. Yeah, so if you like this video, guys, just give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, just post a comment in the comments below as to what I can do to improve my videos for you guys. And I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.